Hello, my name is Steen. I will explain you a bit about the Marelec trimming line. This is a new development which is an extension of our traditional grading systems which have been produced by Marelec for over 2 decades. The trimline is a management tool that enables you to monitor and improve the operator performance. Plus, it gives you the ability to improve the quality of the end products. I will explain you a little bit about the system, how it works, as well as where the benefits are for you, our customers. From a helicopter perspective, the products are received on the in-feed weighing station, sent to one of the available operator working stations, and eventually received at the outfeed weighing station. More in detail, the products are received by a supply conveyor, which is dropping on the scale. Once a target weight is reached, a stop signal is being sent to the conveyor. The weight is stabilized and sent to or allocated to one of the operator stations. After the operator then performs the filleting or trimming job for either poultry or fish products, the product is placed into a compartment and sent to the outfeed weighing station. So once we know for each operator what he has received in regards to product weight and what he has sent out, we know the overall yield of this operator. There are several working stations, and for each working station, an operator can be assigned to perform the job through either the HMI, where you can select out of a list of available operators, or through the Matrix program, which is installed at the production manager, their office. It's always convenient in case the screen is not working, that the system can still be remotely programmed. Once the operator confirms his or her presence, the batch is sent through the workstation and monitored with the track and trace module. The tracking and tracing can be visualized on the screen as well. So after the products are arrived at the working station, they can start performing their job, resulting in a split flow of products. The main product will end up into this hole, which is being pushed on a regular basis onto the batch takeaway conveyor. And then the secondary product, which we call trim, is being placed into this hole onto a trim takeaway conveyor. That trim could be centrally collected by a trim takeaway conveyor on either side of the trim lane. The outfeed weighing station measures the finished product per operator and sends its relevant information to the Matrix software for further processing. The supply of the raw material as well as the transport of the finished goods take place on 2 separate conveyors. We have the upper conveyor for the raw material delivering the products to the working stations, and then we have the lower level conveyor which is taking the trimmed products, sending them or transporting them to the takeaway conveyor. This is good for hygiene or avoid cross-contamination. Plus, it gives us the ability to have a system with a higher throughput on the same footprint as a single level trimline. Hygiene is important and kept in mind during this design. As you can see, we have been using the non-tubular design, which is in some factories a must-have in order to install the equipment. What you can see as well here is that the horizontal surfaces are avoided as much as possible. The working platforms could be set into a cleaning mode, so the equipment gets more compact, and the cutting boards are interchangeable or removable for cleaning as well. Each operator can see their individual performance by the means of a light in front of them. The light can either turn green, yellow, or red, depending on their performance. The outcome from the color is the result from a mathematical calculation that takes into account the speed that they are working with or on, as well as the yield, and maybe taking into consideration the quality station at the back end, which is checking what quality level the operator performs at. So this is a nice indication, because nobody wants to be in red, and line supervisors or operation managers can guide the operators towards a higher level that they reach the threshold or the targets on their performance. The end result is that with this trimline, you will have a higher capacity, a higher throughput. Your operators will work on a higher yield, and the quality of your product should be higher as well. The system shown here in our demo room has 4 working stations, but it is being built in a modular concept. So if you have a requirement for higher throughput, more capacity, we can easily add on more working stations as you could potentially use for the future expansion. That's all for now. So if you want to know more about our company or our products, we have a global presence. Feel free to reach out to us.